My garage was a disaster. Until I decided to organize a workshop in garage. Idea 1. Tool storage ideas for your garage workshop. This simple wooden rack is a fantastic way to keep your pliers and snips perfectly organized and easy to access. Wall-mounted tool storage is a key component of a tidy and efficient workshop, ensuring you always know where your hand tools are. Idea 2. Vertical storage solutions for saws. Maximize your limited wall space with a custom vertical saw rack. This clever setup keeps your handsaws secure, their teeth protected, and ensures they are always within reach. It's an ideal workshop organization solution to save valuable bench space. Idea 3. Efficient storage for power tools. This slat wall system offers a great solution for power tool organization and screw storage. The custom-fit hangers securely hold your drills, while the angled bins below keep various fasteners and hardware neatly sorted. It's a clever way to keep everything organized and within arm's reach. Idea 4. Effective drill bit organization ideas. This folding drill bit holder is a smart and compact organization hack for your workshop. It stores all your bits securely in a small footprint and keeps them protected when not in use. This project is a great way to ensure you never lose a bit again. Idea 5. Gardening tool storage and organization. Keep your large gardening tools off the floor with a simple and effective wall rack. This method of vertical storage is perfect for saving space and preventing clutter in your garage workshop. Now your rakes, shovels, and hoes will always be accessible and tidy. Idea 6. Fold-down workbench for garage space. A fold-down workbench is the ultimate space-saving solution for a small garage. When not in use, it disappears against the wall, but when you need it, it provides a sturdy surface for projects. This is a smart way to maximize your limited workshop space. Idea 7. Smart caulk tube storage solutions. This wooden rack is a clever way to keep your tubes of caulk, adhesives, and sealants neatly stored and organized. By holding the tubes horizontally, you can easily see what you have and grab the right one for your next garage project. This simple storage hack saves you time and prevents clutter. Idea 8. Hammer and mallet storage solutions. Keep your hammers and mallets neatly sorted and easily accessible with a wall-mounted rack. This workshop organization method saves crucial drawer and workbench space. Storing tools this way ensures you can quickly find the right one for your next garage project. Idea 9. Wall-mounted tool racks for workshop. This slat wall system keeps wrenches, pliers, and screwdrivers perfectly organized and visible. The custom-made racks are a practical DIY garage storage solution, preventing clutter on your workbench and keeping your most used tools ready for any project. This layout proves how easy it is to organize a workshop in a garage efficiently. Idea 10. DIY spice rack for chemicals and paints. Repurpose a simple spice rack design to create a fantastic storage solution for spray cans, bottles, and other chemicals. This vertical organization method is a great way to save valuable shelf space in your workshop and keep items off the floor, making it an essential garage organization hack. Idea 11. Wall-mounted storage for chainsaws. This wall-mounted rack is a simple and secure solution for storing heavy tools like chainsaws and trimmers. This clever DIY garage storage idea protects blades and keeps them safely out of the way, creating a tidy and organized garage workshop with more floor space. Idea 12. Simple garden tool storage rack. This wooden rack is a perfect DIY project for keeping your gardening and lawn care tools organized. It holds shovels, rakes, and brooms upright, preventing clutter and making them easy to grab. It's a great workshop organization solution to keep your gear tidy. Idea 13. Organize hand tools in a workshop cabinet. Turn the inside of a cabinet door into a smart, space-saving tool organizer. By adding simple racks and clips, you can store pliers, screwdrivers, and files neatly out of sight. This DIY garage storage idea maximizes every inch of space, keeping your workbench clear and tidy. Idea 14. Effective wrench and tool rack system. This wire mesh rack is a creative and customizable solution for organizing your wrenches and other hand tools. It's an excellent DIY garage storage project that keeps essential tools visible and within easy reach, making your workbench more efficient and your workshop cleaner. Idea 15. PVC pipe hack for cord storage. This clever use of PVC pipes is a fantastic DIY storage solution for keeping extension cords and air hoses from tangling. Mounting them to a wall or rafter keeps your garage floor clear and your cords easily accessible. This is a simple and effective garage organization hack. Idea 16. Garage workshop tool organization system. This custom pegboard and rack system is an excellent way to organize a variety of hand tools. It keeps hammers, mallets, files, and screwdrivers perfectly arranged and visible. A smart DIY garage storage solution, this project maximizes wall space and prevents workbench clutter. Idea 17. Wall-mounted drill bit storage rack. This tiered, wall-mounted rack is a clean and efficient way to organize your drill bits. It keeps all of your bits sorted by size, so you can easily find the one you need. This DIY garage storage solution is perfect for keeping small, essential items from getting lost. Idea 18. Garage wall storage for power tools. This simple, rustic wooden rack is a perfect way to keep your long-handled yard tools and axes organized. By mounting them on the wall, you free up valuable floor space in your garage workshop. This DIY storage solution is a great way to keep everything tidy and ready for use. Idea 19. Effective DIY tool hack for the garage. This simple bungee cord and hook system is a brilliant and affordable way to organize a workshop in a garage. It holds screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers securely and keeps them visible and within easy reach. This DIY garage storage solution proves that organization doesn't have to be complicated. Idea 20. Tin CANPEG board storage idea. This simple DIY garage storage solution uses recycled tin cans and a pegboard to create a perfect spot for sorting small items. This is a great hack for organizing pencils, screws, drill bits, or paint brushes. It's a creative way to organize a workshop in a garage while keeping items visible and easy to access. Idea 21. Custom storage rack for toolboxes. This wooden rack is a fantastic way to organize your plastic tool cases and battery packs. It keeps them securely stacked, visible, and easy to access, which helps you quickly find the tools you need. This DIY garage storage solution is a great way to tidy up your garage workshop. Idea 22. Organizing spray cans and bottles. This tiered wooden rack is a perfect way to store spray paint cans, lubricants, and cleaners. It keeps all of your cans visible and organized by type, preventing them from cluttering your workbench. This DIY garage storage solution saves you time and keeps your garage workshop tidy. Idea 23. Boot rack storage for the garage. This simple, rustic rack is a fantastic way to store muddy boots and shoes. It keeps footwear upright, allowing it to dry out while keeping dirt off your floor. This DIY garage storage solution is perfect for a tidy entrance to your garage workshop. Idea 24. Custom wall rack for garden tools. This wooden wall rack is a simple yet effective way to get shovels, brooms, and rakes off the floor. This vertical organization system saves a significant amount of space, making it a perfect DIY garage storage solution to keep your workshop tidy and safe. Idea 25. Smart storage for screws and fasteners. This wooden rack with screw-top jars is a brilliant way to store and organize screws, nuts, and bolts. This DIY garage storage project keeps small items visible, dust-free, and easy to grab, making it a perfect workshop organization solution for any garage. Idea 26. Compact rack for gardening tools. This wooden rack is a fantastic way to organize your long-handled gardening tools and keep them from cluttering the floor. It's an ideal DIY garage storage solution for a tidy and efficient garage workshop space. This project makes it easy to grab what you need and get to work. Idea 27. Shelving and jar storage for the garage. This corner shelving unit is an excellent DIY garage storage solution for maximizing vertical space. The open shelves keep tools and supplies visible, while the repurposed plastic jars are perfect for organizing small items like screws and bolts. This project proves how easy it is to organize a workshop in a garage efficiently. Idea 28. Repurposed bottle storage for safety glasses. This is a creative and simple hack for protecting your safety glasses and goggles. By using repurposed plastic bottles mounted on a pegboard, you can keep eyewear dust-free and prevent scratches. This DIY garage storage solution is a great way to keep essential safety gear handy and in good condition. Idea 29. DIY rustic rack for gardening tools. This repurposed pallet rack is a fantastic way to store gloves and small gardening tools. It keeps everything neat, visible, and off the workbench, making your gardening tools easy to find for your next project. It's an excellent DIY garage storage solution. Idea 30. Blade storage for circular saws. This wooden rack is a perfect way to keep your circular saw blades safely stored and organized. By holding them vertically, you protect the cutting teeth from damage and save valuable space. This simple DIY garage storage solution is a great way to keep your garage workshop tidy. Idea 31. DIY rolling tire rack for the garage. This rolling wooden rack is a fantastic way to store seasonal tires. It keeps them off the floor and makes it easy to move them around your garage. This DIY garage storage solution is perfect for a tidy workshop, saving you time and effort.
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share my channel.